Hi friends, now we are going to see the problems based on cube, right? Problems based on cube. Problems based on cube. Okay, let's see the example. Okay, they are given like you are given as the cube is given as n into n into n n into n into n cube. All the faces of the cube, all the faces of the all the faces of the cube are all the faces of the cube are painted and then cut up into one by one cubes and cut up into one by one cubes cut up into one. You will take all the small cubes and then you will take all the small cubes you will take all the small and put them in a and put them in a container shake it up and then randomly draw. Shake the container and randomly draw out one of the cubes. Randomly draw out one of the cubes and then roll it like a die and then roll it like a die. Then what is the probability that the top face of the cube top face of the cube would be painted. Top case of the cube would be painted. Now we have to find out what is the probability of the top face of the cube painted. Here given a cube is coated in all the faces and the cube is cut up into one by one of the cubes and we will take all the small cubes. The cube is cut up into number of small cubes and put them in a container by using length and breadth and put them in a container. Shake the container, randomly draw out one of the cube and randomly draw out the one of the cube and then roll it like a die. Then what is the top of face of the cube will be painted. Okay, now we will see the answer. How we will get probability of the top face painted is equal to top face probability of the top face painted is equal to n number of by n of faces of all small cubes okay, and n of faces of all small cubes painted. of all small cubes painted. Here we are getting here we are getting only painted cubes. Now in the down we are getting painted and non-painted cubes also. How we will find out the painted cubes and non-painted cubes? Is equal to n number of small cubes formula is equal to side of big cube by side of small cube. Then side of big cube is equal to n, side of small cube is equal to 1, is equal to n by 1 whole cube equal to n cube. Then the side of the big cube is equal to n is equal to n cube into, we will have to calculate n number of faces. The number of faces, n number of faces, number of faces. If you have any doubt, please watch my videos. If you have any doubt, please watch my previous videos. Okay, it is number of faces is equal to 6n cube. Now we will get the answer as 6n cube. Okay, number of small cubes is equal to 6n cube. Now we have to find out number of faces of small cube painted. Okay, number of faces of small cube painted. Number of small cubes painted. Now how we will get number of small cubes painted? Let's see here. It is only if the, now we have to find out faces of small cube painted. If small cubes are in different types, some cubes are in one color, some cubes are in two colors, some cubes are in three color. Now in previous video we have seen the formula of one colored face, two colored face and three colored face. Now we will get, now one colored face is equal to n minus 2 whole square into number of faces of the cube is equal to 6, and it is one colored face means 1 is equal to n minus 2 is equal to n minus 2 whole square is equal to 6n. We will get like this, 6n square plus 24 minus 24n. We have applied here a minus b formula, a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab, like that. Okay, now we will get 6n square plus 224 minus 24n. Now here it is two colored face. Two colored face means we will get the formula is n minus 2 into edges. Now number of edges of the cube will be 12, and it is two colored face means 12. Okay, 2. Now we will get the answer like 12 into 2 24, 24 into n minus 2, 24 into n minus 2, 24 n minus 24 into 2, 24 n minus 24 into 2 8, 24 into 2 48, right? 24 n minus 48. Now we will see the three colored face. Now three colored face we have only corners of the cube. Corners of the cube is equal to 8. Now there are three colored face means there are three colored face. Now 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Now we will get probability of the top face of the cube will be painted. Top cube painted will be here 24n cancel అయిపోతుంది. 24 48. Now again last we get as 6n square. Number of small cubes painted is 6n square. 6n square అంటే 6 cancel అయిపోతుంది. n square cancel అయిపోతుంది. 1 by n. Then the probability of the top face of the cube is 1 by n. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe. Anyway, thank you for watching this video.